Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel, and if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on to make sure you get notified for a future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can listen to Spotify music offline. So to listen to Spotify music offline, you need to download the music. Basically, that's what listening to music offline means. You need to download the music, and to download the music you need Spotify Premium, because if you have a normal version of Spotify like me, then you won't be able to download. First you need to buy a premium version of Spotify, and only after buying a premium version of Spotify you will be able to download music to listen to offline. So I don't have the ability to download it right now because I don't have a Spotify Premium, but I will teach you all the methods you need to follow to download the music offline. So first, go to your setting over here, and on your setting you can click on this playback button by scrolling down. And once you click on playback button, if you have a Spotify Premium, a setting will open up, and on the setting at the top there should be a button called listen music offline. You can turn it on, and then you should be able to listen to your music offline if you have downloaded them. Now let me show you how you can download them. So to download them, you can go to a playlist or an album. So let's say I want to download an entire playlist. So let's say I want to download this playlist over here. I can just click on it, and right beside your like button, so my like button is over here, but sometimes the like button is over here as well, but don't confuse it. There should be a download button right beside the like button. So you can click on the download button, which looks just like this. You can click on it and the entire playlist will be downloaded. But if you want to download a specific song, you can enter the song. I can click on this three dot at the top, scroll down, and you should see a download button over here when you scroll down, and you can click on that download button and download the music if you want to download the music individually. So that's basically all the way you can download and listen to music offline on Spotify. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any questions related to this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll try to fix them. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.